How to view your position description in People Admin. Log in to My SFCC using your school login and password. Select the Employee tab. To the right of the screen, you'll find a box entitled Employee Resources. Select People Admin from the links in this box, and you'll be taken to the People Admin login screen. Please enter your login name, which will be the same as your My SFCC login name, normally first name dot last name format. Your password, however, may not necessarily be the same as your My SFCC password, depending on if you've been in the program before. If you have not logged into this system before, your password will be exactly the same as your current password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset button and reset it. Please do not select the Request an Account option, as you will already have an account created. Once you have successfully logged into the People Admin system, you'll likely be presented with the Hire screen, denoted by a blue bar across the screen. To find your position description, first select the three dots icon in the top left of your screen. Please select Positions from the drop-down menu. And then select, under Position Descriptions, Staff. You will now be presented with a screen showing the title of your current position description. Click on the position title to view your position description. The next screen will be a summary screen for your position description. Scroll down the screen to view all the information within your position description. Should you wish to print this information, to the top you will find a printer-friendly option by clicking on one of these two selections. If you have any difficulty with this or any other process using the People Admin system, please open a ticket using the OIT Ticket Self-Service shortcut on your desktop and enter the issues that you've found. This ends the video on how to find your position description in People Admin.